So guys, another investment platform has been launched today. So the platform is paying. It is really paying. So all you have to do is to click the link on my comment section or description box to get to this platform that I'm talking about. Also, if it's the first time of coming across my video, please do well to like, subscribe, and share. And also drop a comment in the comment section so that YouTube will push this video to those people that also want to earn money online. Now to my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for liking, commenting, and sharing this post. I really appreciate. All you have to do is you click the link on the comment section or description box area, it will bring you here. Then you have to input your phone number, your password, confirm the password, and click register. Once you click the register, it will bring you here. Please do well to join the groups in case of if there is any information. It's very important. So once you join the group, you come back and collect this master. Then you can see the packages here. You have a lot. They have a lot of packages here: 3,000, 5,000, and 12,000. You get so their welcome bonus they will give you 300. And minimum deposit is 3,000 there, which should be receiving a daily income of 718 naira. For 5,000, you will be getting income of 1,3. You understand? So that's just it about it. So if you want to deposit on this site, all you have to do is to click on this deposit here. You click on it. It will bring you here. Click the amount you want to input. Let's say I want to put 5,000 naira. I've clicked the 5,000 naira, you can see. Then I'll click the submit. It is processing. So it will bring me here. All I have to do is to copy this account number and go to my bank and make payment of the amount that I want to make payment with. So once I make the payment, I'll come back here and click I have paid. So once you click it, the money will instantly drop on your deposit. Once the money drops on your account, all you have to do is to click on this home here. Then you scroll up and look for the package you want to buy. Because if you don't invest this here, your earnings will not count. So you look for package. If it is 3,000, you click buy. If it is 5,000, you click buy. So you look for the package that you want to buy and click invest. So if you want to withdraw, click this withdraw. Once you click the withdraw, you put your account details here. But first of all, while registering this thing, they will show you where you put your account details. Just you put your account details. You understand? Then you put the amount you want to withdraw. Like they say, minimum withdrawal is 1,000. You understand? And click submit to drop instantly. And this gift code drops every 6 weeks. You understand? So that's why I say you should join that thing. So that you getting gift codes and free money with it. You understand? So that's another way to earn on this platform by inviting people. It's not the most that you must invite before you pay. But if you want to increase your earnings, you invite people. All you have to do is to click on this invite here, click on it, copy your link and start sharing. Share for people to join. You understand? That's another way to make money on this line. And that's basically everything about this investment platform. So do well to like my video. Also see you in my next video.